After performing the oscilloscope's internal self-calibration, we are going to calibrate the probe. This is just as important for accurate measurements. Even if the oscilloscope itself is calibrated, an uncalibrated probe can distort the waveform you would see on the screen. To do this, we'll use the oscilloscope's built-in cow output, which provides a known reference signal. I'm going to connect my probe to channel 1, and then I'm going to connect the ground clip to the ground terminal, which is here on my left. The right. And then the probe tip I will connect to the cow output, which is here on my left. And what we're looking for is a square wave with flat tops, flat bottoms, and sharp corners. Now, if you see here, if the top is rounded or slanted like it is here, the probe itself is not calibrated yet. On the probe itself, there's a small adjustment screw that is found here on the connection. Now, using a small screwdriver, I'm going to slowly turn until the square waves looks correct. So I'm going to insert this here. And as you see, I go a little bit up and down. I could see the signal start to change, and we're looking for a square wave. So that looks pretty square. Now you should do this to each probe and any time you change probes or channels. Now this calibration only affects the probe, not the oscilloscope itself. Now with the probe calibrated, you are now ready to start taking accurate measurements.